Hey loves, it's Belinda Celine and I am just in my nesting mode right now. I am going to get all the baby stuff ready for when they come. I have this sudden energy and sudden urge to start nesting. I started already last week. I washed a bunch of clothes and other things that I need to prepare for, and now I got some more baby stuff, so I'll show you guys a quick haul of what I got, and then I'll show you guys what I'm doing to prepare for the twins. I found so many cute things at TJ Maxx for the girls, like this swaddle. How cute, with the matching bow. I got two of everything. And then this blanket is so soft. Oh, the hearts. Right now that it's Valentine's Day, there are so many cute things for girls because everything is pink with hearts everywhere. This one is super soft. I want to put their names on here. Ashley has an embroidery machine and I asked her if she could put their names on here, so hopefully she could do that. And then this little outfit with the little pants in the back and the matching hat, or I'm not sure what this is called. What is this called? What's the proper name for this? I'm not sure, but this is so cute. And then I got some panties for postpartum. I got some extra big ones so that way I feel comfortable. And then a pair of PJs. I just feel like when you're in that newborn bubble, you want to be as comfortable as possible, but still feel good about yourself. So like this one is button down and has shorts. I can only sleep in shorts and a short sleeve t-shirt. I can't sleep in long sleeves or pants. I got some pacifiers. These are honestly some of the best for newborns because of the way that they're designed to breastfeed if you're planning to breastfeed. So I love this brand. Even though none of my kids took pacifiers, they only used it for like 2 weeks after they were born, and then they didn't want them anymore. But these are great for breastfeeding if you're planning to breastfeed. And then look at how cute these are. I love this print, and I was like, you know what, I am going to buy it for the girls. Look how cute. I got 2 of those. And then I also got myself a charger for the hospital, something that has like a really long cord. And then I was always obsessed with Polly Pockets growing up. I had one Polly Pocket, and then I always played with my friends' Polly Pockets. You're hungry, baby? Yeah, I'll make you some food. Look how cute this cup is. Oh my goodness. What are you building, Benji?
I built a pirate ship.
Oh, pirate ship?
And this is a baby snake.
Oh my goodness.
A baby snake.
And that's a baby snake?
Yep.
Ooh.
Hello, baby snake. Yep.
And that's a pirate ship?
Yes, he's a pirate ship. Luigi's in there.
Luigi's in there?
Yes, that's secret hiding. Wait, can I put it over somewhere?
Batman?
Yeah.
Where's Batman?
No, Louis.
He's inside?
Yeah.
You're so cute.
So it can blow up.
Na 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 na.
No. Mama.
Batman. Na 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 na.
Mama.
Nowadays, I feel like the only energy that I have left is just to do one simple task, because by nighttime I am so exhausted and tired once the kids go down for bed. So today I focused on doing all of the newborn clothes and getting them washed. And with having twins, this is a different experience because I have to do double the amount of everything, which is quite a lot. Comment down below what is one of the most tedious tasks when it comes to getting things ready for the baby. For me, I will say number 1 is washing and sterilizing everything when it comes to their water bottles, pumping parts. I feel like that is one of the reasons why it's so hard to keep up with pumping, because it's just so many little parts. And so I was like, you know what? We have double the amount of babies that are going to be here with us. So I'm going to invest into this Baby Brisa bottle washer. And the best part is that you can put toys in there. You could put cups. And best of all, you can put pumping parts. Something I always like to do when I'm about to give birth is to put all of our bills on auto pay. And so here I'm just tracking when I'm going to do that for the next few months, so I don't have to worry about any of our bills and I can just focus on my baby. So far I've done that.
Wipe your mouth.
that I can wash my pumping parts without having to do anything and sterilize them all at the same time, and they're nice and dry, is like the best feeling. This is awesome. Like, this is probably the best purchase I've ever made. I have breastfed all of my babies, and I still use bottles, and that is for any pump milk that I have. And I noticed that every single one have used different ones. It just depends on their comfort. Sometimes they didn't want to take one bottle, and if I need to step out, go to a doctor's appointment by myself, or just have a break or middle of the night feedings and I wanted some help, I always try to rely on a bottle that they feel comfortable with. And if they didn't like one, I would try a different one until I found one that they actually did like, because it's a little bit tricky. Each baby is different. And I have saved all the previous bottles with each baby. I just buy new nipples. That way I can reuse them, especially when it comes to the pumping bottles, because those come really handy in the middle of the night. So that's what I've been doing. Also the Haka and any other things that I could put in there, like utensils or other baby items. And then once they come home from the hospital, I always make sure that I have a binky ready for them, a little pacifier, because the car ride can be a little rough and I know they're going to cry. So I just went ahead and I sterilized different ones. Once again, I have all different types of nipples because none of them really like one specific one. I will say though that the MAM ones are perfect because they're teeny tiny, but look how cute these are. These are pink. I couldn't wait to get these out because I get to start using pink items now for babies, which is new for me. Baby Breeza has no idea that I'm doing this video, so this is not sponsored at all whatsoever. I just really wanted this because I saw how amazing it is on Instagram and TikTok, and I just had to get it. And let me tell you, I already used it like 10 times, sterilizing everything. It is so easy and simple to use, and it washes, it sanitizes, and it dries everything, and it comes out really, really nicely clean and dried, and I just absolutely love it. Put this in your baby registry. So this is our office, and I am going to go through these packages. Maybe we could build a rocket ship with this. I think the hardest thing about this pregnancy is definitely movement. Today I had so much energy to just get up and get this room cleaned. The twins are definitely telling me that they are going to be here soon. And so I felt the need to clean out this room. More than anything, to get all the baby stuff out. I still have things for their nursery. I have more things to wash, to take care of. I want to make sure that I have all the diapers ready because I honestly feel like this is almost like a first time being pregnant because yes, I've had 3 kids in the past 3 years, but this is going to be double the amount of work for everything. So double the diaper change, double the fussiness, double the bottles, double the breastfeeding. Like everything is just so new, and I'm gonna learn how to adjust to everything all over again from the beginning. So this is a little bit nerve-wracking. I do feel some anxiety with them coming. I feel like it is scary. I don't know what to expect. I know children, I know newborns. I have, like I said, 3 kids, very young, but this does feel brand new to me. And I am nervous. I'm not gonna lie. And I am just trying to make sure that I have all things that I need so I don't have to worry about, you know, the bassinet or the nursery or anything like that. This brought me some peace, which was putting this wicker bassinet together. All of my babies have slept in this in our living room when we're downstairs, and it brought me a lot of joy. So stay with me. The next video you will see will be the birth vlog.